everybody, and welcome back to another shit show with Shiana. No, for real though. Hi, friends. I've missed life over here on the tube. As you can see by the title and what I'm doing here currently, I have a little project on my hands. I recently picked up these bookcases as well as a few other organization pieces from Target. If you know me, you already know they're tagged below. If you don't know me, now you know where to find them. My goal is to reorganize the space I now call my closet office / vanity room. When we moved, I lost a lot of my closet space, but kind of just traded for more room space. So I'm turning this room into my closet, which at first seemed like a very easy thing to do, but as I'm getting into it, it's not. As you can see my face.
I swear, it's moments like this where I just want to throw everything away. I'm fresh out the shower. It's like, I don't even know what time it is. It's 9:47. Yeah, I was at this at like 10 o'clock this morning and completely was unmotivated. Now I have the energy, so I'm kind of organizing, trying to see how I want this set up. Not really sure how I want this set up, so we're just gonna move it around until I like what it looks like. And I can finally admit I truly have a shopping addiction, because there's no reason why I should have this much stuff, but it's okay.
The Virgo in me is just screaming with joy that I finally started this project. I am definitely OCD and a very visual person.
I think this looks good for now. I'm gonna rearrange the shelves, and then I'm gonna work on putting my shoes up. I have no idea where I want to put this right now, so and I'm gonna give y'all the full look right now. So of course my shelves aren't put up correctly, but I just put that over there, and here is the mess of all of my madness. That's currently what my shoes were. There, those were stacked on top of each other. I have boots in here, and then boots over there. So we're gonna get all of that over here.
I honestly had no idea how I planned to arrange these shelves, but like I said, I'm a visual person, so I played around with it until it looked right.
We're gonna color coordinate. How cute are these $35 boots?
By this point, I'm just color coordinating and seeing which place I want which color to go where. Because I did want this to be cohesive in some way. So yeah, that's just what I'm doing. Just me being a perfectionist. By this point, I was getting really excited because I could see my vision already coming to life. I put these shoe organizers here and it's functional for now, but I think I want to go get one more bookshelf.
We're making some progress. Actually, a lot of progress. Most of my shoes are up. A few shoes, and I need to decide where I want to put them. We're gonna do that. Hopefully that'll be it for the night, because I can't do anything else.
So guys, this is the last little bit of my shoes. You gotta leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. What are your thoughts? How do we feel about this shoe organizer / bookcase / display shelf? Because as you can see, I'm putting my purses and a few jewelry pieces up here.
Gonna give you the full look of it. I had to put some stuff in my hair. My curls look super good. This is what we've got. All of my shoes are up, but I definitely underestimated how much I had. This closet is the next order of business, as well as these clothes, because these yet have nowhere to go. But I'm thinking about just turning this whole wall into like a rack wall, just to make it my life 10 times easier. Yeah, I've got to get these a place to go. That is gonna go over there. with all of my work stuff. That is all I'm doing for tonight. So I will see y'all when I come back.
It is the next morning, and I was definitely feeling motivated. I don't know what it is, but something about cleaning your space gives you a whole new set of energy. Today's workout was focusing on legs and abs, and so them step ups, y'all, that y'all saw me doing, they ain't no joke. Them will get your butt burning and booty plump for sure. Now I'm just doing like some squat high knees on this step stool, and then I'm doing some ab pull ups. I will make sure to put my reps at the bottom of the screen.
My workout is complete. Sorry I didn't film much. I was really in the groove, focused. But today was ab and legs. I will stretch when I get home tonight because it'll definitely be necessary. My legs are extremely sore because I have not been in the gym in over a week. So that is all. Let's go. Get ready.
So guys, I'm making breakfast, and this breakfast was one that I just so randomly decided to start doing, and it's been on repeat for a while. And it's basically just a breakfast burrito, but instead of using breakfast burrito wraps, you're using egg wraps. So you're getting way better protein and less carbs. Making this was super easy, so I just air fried my bacon, put my egg wrap in the skillet, let it toast for a little bit, added some cheese, pico, and salsa, and wrapped that baby up. And that was all she wrote. Put it on a plate, and I was off to work. Thank you guys for tuning in and watching today's video. If you haven't, make sure you are subscribed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!